Hello everyone. This is the 7th online tutorial video for class 9 history. The topic is Russian Revolution. We were starting the chapter in the previous video. We have learnt about the new political trends that were coming up in the late 19th century, that is liberalism, conservatism and radicalism. Now, these political trends were a sign of a new time. It was a time of profound social and economic changes. Why? Because new cities were coming up during this time, new industrialized regions were developing, railways were expanding, and most importantly, the industrial revolution took place. Industrialization brought, yeah, there is a storm going on outside. Industrialization brought men, women, and children to factories. Work hours were long, wages were very low, unemployment was common, in particular during the times of low demand for industrial goods. There is always a time in factories, there is always a time in the production where a time of low demand occurs. For example, in winter, in our country, in winter, the demand for ice cream decreases during winters, right? So, same thing. During this time of low demand, unemployment became very high. Housing and sanitation were problems since towns were growing rapidly. Towns growing rapidly, cities were growing rapidly, houses were coming up here and there, not following a proper plan, sanitation was a mess. So, liberals and radicals sought answers to these problems. They sought solutions how to solve these problems. Now, almost all the industries were property of individuals. Liberals and radicals themselves were most of the time property owners and they were employers. Having made their wealth through trade or through industrial ventures, they felt that such efforts should be encouraged. Helping the poor people should be encouraged because that would benefit their own property making process, that would expand their property more if the workers or the citizens were healthy and educated. If the workers were healthy, then they would work for long hours. If the citizens were educated, they could also spread their own ideas, the ideas of liberalism among the workers. So the workers would work more for the property owners. Opposed to the privileges of old aristocracy had by birth, they firmly believed in the value of individual effort, labor, and enterprise. So these liberal people, they believed in the value of individual effort. They believed in the value of labor as as opposed to the age-old aristocratic people, the conservatives who believed in privilege by birth. If freedom of individuals was ensured, if the poor could work and those with capital, those with money, could operate without restraint, without any hindrance, if they could operate freely, they believed that societies would develop. Many working men and women who wanted changes in the world rallied around liberal and radical groups and parties in the early 19th century. Now, some nationalists, liberals, and radicals wanted revolutions to put an end to the kind of governments established in Europe in 1815. In France, Italy, Germany, Russia, they became revolutionaries and worked to overthrow existing monarchs. Nationalists talked of revolutions that would create nations, while all citizens would have equal rights in those newly created nations. So, these nationalists, liberals, or radicals, they wanted revolutions to put an end to the kind of conservative governments that came up in Europe during the after the French Revolution. In France, Italy, Germany, Russia, these people became revolutionaries. Many people actually became revolutionaries. They took part in revolutions, they took part in protests, and they constantly worked to overthrow the existing monarchies, overthrow the existing conservative rule. and the nationalists talked about revolutions that would create nation states. You will learn more about the creation of nation state when you will go to class 10, but for now, nationalists, they talked about revolutions that would create nation states where all citizens would have equal rights. So monarchies did not grant people equal rights. Creation of nation state, as nationalists believe, would grant people equal rights. So they wanted revolutions to overthrow these monarchies. Okay, I'm stopping here. This has been a short video. In the next video we will continue with this chapter. Okay, bye.